Hey, what's up everyone? It's TechDevil here. Today I'm diving into everything you need to know about the OnePlus Nord 4. Yep, the latest addition to the OnePlus Nord lineup. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Firstly, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. That's about 17 centimeters for all you metric fans out there. And yes, it supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means super smooth scrolling and an overall buttery experience. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It's a powerhouse, offering incredible performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing. Paired with that, you've got options for either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. So no more worrying about your apps slowing down. When it comes to storage, the Nord 4 doesn't disappoint. You can choose between 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. Plenty of room for all your photos, videos, and apps. And speaking of photos, let's move on to the cameras. The OnePlus Nord 4 features a versatile triple camera setup. Leading the pack is a whopping 64 megapixel main camera. Alongside that, you've got an 8 megapixel ultra-wide and a 5 megapixel macro lens. Whether you're capturing landscapes or those tiny details, this phone has got you covered. On the front, there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for all your social media needs. Color options? You bet! The OnePlus Nord 4 is available in 3 sleek colors: Arctic Blue, Charcoal Black, and Misty Green, so you've got some stylish choices to match your vibe. Let's not forget the battery. The Nord 4 packs a 500 mAh battery with Warp Charge 65 support. That means you can go from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. No more waiting around for your phone to charge. Now for the part everyone's been waiting for, the price. The OnePlus Nord 4 starts at $399 for the base model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. If you want to upgrade to the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant, that'll set you back $449. Honestly, that's a pretty sweet deal for everything you're getting. So, there you have it folks. The OnePlus Nord 4 is shaping up to be an incredible mid-range contender with top-notch specs and fantastic value. If you're in the market for a new phone, this should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the OnePlus Nord 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews and updates.